how to open eToro account in UAE. Now it doesn't matter wherever you're from, because the process to open up your eToro account, no matter where you are, is pretty much the same except for some of your document details. And if you'd like to open up your eToro account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the eToro application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now first off, if you actually already have an account in eToro, you can tap on the sign in button from the very bottom if you want to sign in, but to create a new account, tap on the continue and get started button. Now you can choose to enter an independent email address from which you would like to go ahead and then create an eToro account with. But if you want to basically sign up either with Google or Facebook, you can select sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook option. So you can just tap on either of those and then tap on the sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook option, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically finish creating your eToro account. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.